Hello everybody, my name is Vanchai. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make vegetarian quesadillas, one of my favorite recipes. First I'm going to show you guys what you guys need in order to cook for it. You could have a black beans or red beans, it's totally fine. Neither way, they're both all beans. Then you need corn, any corn be fine, the frozen one or the fresh or the can. I just bought the can because it makes it easier. Tomatoes. You need like 2 or 3 tomatoes. It's up to you how much tomato you guys want to eat. You guys need tomatoes. And here's my favorite part. Avocado. My bad, I don't know why. But you need that part. Wow. And also you need the lettuce. I don't know the name for it, but I have to learn for it. You need that part. The medium sweet peppers. Also, is it just smart if you use the big one, the small one? I listed both the peppers. And onions. These onions, also you need the onions because it will be taste very good. Mayonnaise for the sweet sauce, and also for the sauces. For me, I'm allowed to use the ranch because the ranch is very good taste for my taste, but you might want tomato sauce or something. But for me, get a try. I love ranch. And also you need a cheese. It's very important, cheese. And I sometimes use the oil, but sometimes I use the peanut butter oil because it's way faster and plus it's easier too. And then here comes, so this is all the recipe that you guys need. And now here comes all the seasons. You need a garlic season. Is if you don't really want to use the season, you can use the garlic fruit. But I don't really use it. I can use the garlic powder. It's easier. And also you need German seasons. I don't know what it does, but hey, might as well gonna use it. And then I don't think it's better the spicy stuff, but it's called the cherry powers because it can make it a little bit spicy, not too spicy, but it's making perfect taste. And then here of course my favorite season, black pepper and salt. That's all you need. That's my favorite. And also I forgot to tell you, you need this in order to make it happen. It's called Torres. Buffalo, I don't know how to say the name, but anyway, here's all the seasoned recipe or the recipe I show you. Let's get started. First, let's go chop these sweet tomatoes. Look, before we got potatoes, my bad, tomatoes, cut it, and now let's gonna cut black beans. I got this already. And let's gonna cook. Okay, once you have the oil, myself we're gonna use peanut butter oil. It's very good, but I would like to have a little bit of taste more. I'm just gonna get a peanut butter, get cooked, and now after that, while you start to feel, do you hear the sound? That's what I want to hear, the crazy sounds. Okay, please pour in. Look at that. That is quite a lot. Wow. But anyway, let's stir. Let's stir all the corn. While we cook, let's pour some salt. Not a lot, but just a little bit. Just put my hand to spoon. Yeah. Okay. The black pepper. The garlic powder. And then curry seed, just a little bit. That'll be good. And then cherry powder. Okay. Mix. So you might ask me how long does it take to finish cook? Well, for me, maybe around 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Avocado. Let's gonna cut this thing. And boom. Wow, look at that. That is so nice. Then I'm not sure if this thing works. I should be able to twist. That's how you get the tiny, humongous seed. You want to put the fork at the end of the skin. Just slowly push forward. This I do right now. And that. And now, it's very simple. You just tear this off. Just like that. Use a knife, cut it. Cut all the things out, all the things, all the things. That is what you guys want. If that is good. And now let's cut these crazy things. You are not going anywhere, salad. You're mine. There, mix and mix and mix. Look at that. All nice and mixed. So you see all the greasy stuff? We want that because that have all the flavors. You're gonna use this. No need to wash the pan. When you turn off the pan, make sure that it is a low, medium, high. You don't want too high, too low. Maybe low is a bit okay, but just to let you guys know. Swish around. Swish. Get all the sweet. Down below. And now, let's go for the mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. We got pour cheese. Here. For the sweetest avocado. Another cheese again. Cheese. That. That is how you make vegetarian tortillas. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys love it, please give me a like and subscribe to my channels. I'll see you guys the next time. Peace.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world.